Okay, guys, check out the fan. It's used to keep away flies. I got the lady to wave by waving first. Very happy people, anyway. This is the local beef butcher in the market. And this rag hanging here is actually stomach lining or tripe. Nasty stuff. You wait. You wait and see what they got here. They got quite a lot of beef here. This was New Year's Eve. A couple of big leg bones. They've gone through a half a cow already. They're weighing up an order for somebody right now. Looks like about 1 kilo. Putting all little bits and pieces in there. Some of the tripe, a bit of liver, bits and pieces. That's how beef is sold here. You can't go and really buy any particular cut. Those little bags, that's blood. Somebody's eating good tonight, that's for sure. They got the blood and everything. This second one, this is 20 feet away. This lady, she's quite happy, but the other people were happy too. This is her setup, same idea. In these bags here, that's something from the digestive tract, far down the digestive tract. Not very nice in my opinion, and she had the blood as well. There's the beef. Looks okay, very lean. In my opinion, it's not very good. I'd rather have pork any day of the week, and pork is off the price. And there's some pork.